guys, it's Komal and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about books. I don't know if you are much into books, but I personally love my books and I have like so many books with me and some of them are like still haven't read. I am not a book nerd, but I love reading. I don't like reading novels and like personal stories or anything. But yeah, I do like reading self-help books. Anything that is related to our life, like relationships and like mind management and money related stuff. Today I'm going to show you some of the books that you should get. I know it's a quite different topic, but yeah, I thought I haven't shared myself with you if I don't talk about my books. And I just love reading them and I just love to pamper my books. Like my books are my babies. And yeah, let's start with the video. So the first book I want to share with you is this. It's called The Magic and it looks like this. It's a paperback one. This one is from like the Secret editions. If you have read The Secret, you know, right, what these books are about. Then I have The Hero and then I have The Power. All of these three are from the Secret series. If you still haven't read The Secret, I don't know what you're doing with your life. You should first read The Secret and then get these three. Then I have this beautiful cover book. It is Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. I've got this one from like Amazon Best Trade section and I just love this bulb. It says Unleash the Secret to Success. This book is all about thinking in a way to get rich. So if you are interested in getting rich, then you should read this book. Honestly, everyone should, at least once in a lifetime, should read this book. It's that amazing. Then I have this small book from Dr. Joseph Murphy and it's Believe in Yourself. It's like a very thin book. You probably will finish it in like 2 to 3 days only. Joseph Murphy is the same author who wrote The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. So yeah, this book is again from him and you will love his writing. Believe in Yourself. Then I have this beautiful lady here. It's The Rules of Love. This one is from Richard Templar. You might have read his book The Rules for Life. This book is mainly for relationship management. It is targeted for mostly for partners like husband and wife, but I think this formula works in every relationship. There are basic 5 things that every person needs and that's what they call love. Then I have this cool book by a legend, Anupam Kher, and it is The Best Thing About You Is You. And this book is just so beautiful. Actually, I love the pictures in it. After every chapter there is one black and white picture and that just looks so cool. Honestly, I'm so into pictures and photography and all, so I just quite enjoyed reading this book. Let me show you. These are birds, then some trees, clouds and rain, birds again, mountains, flowers. Trust me, this book is so motivating and mostly it's from someone who has been in the industry for so long and has like so much of experience, so you just want to read his book. So grab this book. And this one was like around I will link all the prices down below, so please check the description box because I can't remember any of the prices now. Then I have again a small little book. It's from Richard Bach Jonathan Livingston Seagull. This book is about a seagull, which obviously is related to human, like how we should fly and what is it that we are afraid and why we don't take risk in life and what is it that we really want, and all we need is just a leap of faith. Also in this book there are like so many beautiful black and white photographs. I'm so into photograph wali books. I just love them. Just see. They are so beautiful. This book is for people who follow their dreams and who make their own rules. This book is so awesome. Then I have this small book, Formula for Life, from Sneh Desai. Sneh Desai is one of my mentors. I have attended all his seminars and I have all his books, but this one is my favorite. It's so colorful, nice and bright. It's very neat and clean. It has like nice font. It's just so pleasing to read. It has like 108 prescription and descriptions to live your life at its fullest. If you want to get this book, I don't think it's available on Amazon. Yeah, it's not. It's for 150 and you can get this book from www.snehhouse.com. I will link it down below, so just go and check it out. And by the way, it's not sponsored. I genuinely love this book and so I'm telling you. Then currently I'm reading this book. I haven't completed it yet, but like so far I'm just loving it. So I thought, I should share this. This book is on classic work on seeing a guru. This is a search in secret India. I think if you have a slightest interest in reading books, slightest interest in history, and even a slightest interest in spirituality, you just gonna love this book. It is that awesome. Then I have this book. It's The Alchemist. If you haven't read this book yet, guys, I cannot recommend you this book enough. I think you should read this book right now. This book is so motivated and so inspirational. How you can follow your dreams and how your dreams are meant to be followed only, and your life is meant to be lived. And this book is meant to be read. This book is just so amazing. Then I have this book from Dale Carnegie, How to Stop Worrying and Start Living. Many of the times we are worrying about the stuff that might not even happen to us or are not that big, but still we keep on worrying and like we delay our life and our life becomes so cluttered with problems. So this book is all about not to worrying. So like if you are in depression or you need any help, this book will definitely help you. Yeah, this book is good. Okay, I have this cover on this book. This book is You Can Heal Your Life. This is by Louise L. Hay. In this book, author is telling you all the causes, like real causes that you get a disease, like a direct connection between your thoughts and the disease that you have in your body. So like if someone has like bad eyesight or they have like bad throat, anything, right? If you have a cancer, if you have thyroid, whatever it is, this book has a solution to it. Like this book will explain you that you might have had a thought like this, like so and so, and this thought is creating a disease like this. This book is just so amazing, and there is something magical about this book that after reading this book you will change your perspective about thinking on stuff, or maybe I can say overthinking on stuff. Like sometimes we actually get so hurt by people and then we like start reacting in our mind, and that creates a disease in our body. So this book explained that very well, so you can keep track on your thoughts and you get the idea that what you should think and what you should definitely not. You will wisely choose your thought and you will know that which are the thoughts that worth giving your attention, and what you should think and what you should not. So at last I'm going to show you a book that you should not read once in a lifetime, not even once in a year, not even once in a week, but every day. Obviously that book is Bhagavad Gita. If you don't want to read any of the books I have mentioned above, it's okay, but please read this book. It's not about getting spiritual or something. I'm not saying you should be spiritual and you should pray God. I'm not suggesting you to do any of these. All I'm asking is just read Bhagavad Gita. I have this in Gujarati version, but I think Bhagavad Gita is available in all the languages, and you can get it anywhere and everywhere, and no book has much power to change your life than Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita is like a manual instruction. Like you get a cell phone and you get a washing machine, and there is a manual instruction there, like the way the product should be used to expand its life cycle, or like to make it more productive. So the same way we got this body, and Bhagavad Gita is the manual instruction that how we should live our life, how we should treat our body, how we should treat other people. So treat it like a manual instruction only, and just read it once. If you don't like it, just don't read it. But I suggest if you read this book every month, like once you read it once then you can like revise it fast. Or what you can do is just read one chapter a day, and this book will completely change your life. And yeah, I think this book is so magical and so beautiful and so, I don't know, I don't even have words to describe its greatness. But yeah, read Bhagavad Gita and please treat this book with respect, and this will definitely change your life. Yeah, so I'm done. So those were all the books that I wanted to suggest you guys, and if you are interested then I will link all the books in description box, so just go and check them out. That's all for today. I really hope you like this video. If you do, then please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week. Till then, take care. Bye.